Hello guys, this is Sahil. Welcome to Cloud Doctor. In the previous video, we have created a functionality to get the user session, and in this video, we will set up the functionality to get user attributes. So let's start with the video. So this is the Cognito user pool which we are having, which we are using in our application. Like right now we are having two users, one is confirmed and one is unconfirmed, means the email is not verified for the second one. So what are the attributes which we are getting? Let us check once. So as you can see, we are getting name and email which we are getting for the registration, and along with email we are getting one more attribute like name. Okay, so we will do a little bit of re-rendering right now. Instead of name, we will follow the American naming standards. We will get first name and last name. Okay, like that we'll do. So for that, what we can do, we can't alter after creating a user pool, we can't modify it, or we can't create, alter anything in it. So for that we have to create a new user pool from scratch. So let me create it. Certificate managers, then email address. Apart from that, we need name, and along with name I will go with nickname. So name will be my first name and nickname will be my last name. Like that I will do. Will not go with any custom attributes this time. So this will be same, and here also everything will be same. No need to change anything as we did previously. So we'll send a verification link. So your verification link, you have successfully created your account. Okay, and here welcome to Rajmi. Next step, then no need of tags. Again, next step, we have to create an app client, and this will be manager, and we just need to uncheck this and create app client. Now next step, we don't need to do anything here. Also we need to review and create pool. So now our pool has been created. Now we have to go to the domain name and create a domain name like certificate. Let me search. Yeah, this is available. So I have created this also. So what I will do now, I will just copy this IDs and paste into my code. Okay, so this is the VS code, and here in the userpool.js file I will just paste it, and user pool ID as well. So this is the pool ID, and we'll paste it here. So it's done. So now let us create a new user and check. So new user sign up. So right now we are having username field. We need one more field for our last name. So let us create that also. So in the login.js file, so let me first close all of the files which we don't need. So in the login.js we have to create one more field. So this is name, and after name this will be there. Okay, so we'll cut this span out of here and we'll paste it here. So this will be our name and first name and last name. So instead of name, this will be first name and set first name. To copy this, paste it here. This will be our last name and set last name. Okay, so we need to replace it. It will be name, set first name, will be last name and set last name, and the placeholder will be first name for this last name. Unexpected use of name, let me check. Line number 64, so let me check it. 64. Okay, here, so we are passing name here. So let me check once in the account state file. In the sign up function, what we are getting name. So let me rename it. This will be first name, and then we'll get last name also, and this will be name, and the value will be first name. So this will be L name, and the name will be nickname, and value will be last name. Yeah, and we'll push F name and L name here. So now this is fine, and instead of passing name, we'll pass first name, then last name. So now let us check this functionality. So let us sign up as a new user, Shahil Sinha. Password let me open the console. Yeah, so sign up. Yeah, it says account created successfully. So let us check that we have got the mail or what. Yeah, and see, this time we have configured the mail message as well. Okay, so let me verify it. So now we have verified, and in the user pool, let me check. Yeah, so this is the email address, this is the user, and right now we are having two attributes, name and nickname. So that's all. So now we will create the functionality to get the user attributes. Okay, so now in the account state.js file, what we will do, after getting the user session, here we'll create our functionality. So let me comment this line, and okay, then const attributes equals new promise resolve reject user dot get user attributes, then error attributes, check if error console.log error.message and reject error, else const results equals to empty object, then for let attribute of attributes पुराने में जा रहा है const name value B should be capital equals to attribute, then the results name equals to value and capital B. After this for loop, resolve the results. After this, what we will do, will resolve user session attributes. So let me log it once. Console.log. Okay, so we forgot to add await here. Okay, so now let us check this functionality once. Let me log in. Login success. So let us check whether we are getting our session or user attributes or not. Yeah, so this is the session data and attributes which we are getting. So account state.js, line number 29. Line number 29. Yeah, we are getting this result. So let us view it once. Yeah, as you can see, we are getting email, first name, name as first name, nickname as last name, and this is a random user ID. So we are getting our user attributes. So now what we will do, we'll store this user attributes into our local storage to further use it into our application. So let us do the same. So here local storage dot set item, and it will be first name, and after that results dot name. Let me check. Yeah, results dot name. Then I'll copy this. So this is first name, this is last name, and result dot nickname. Then name it as username, and it will be results dot sub. And in the login component, after getting logged in, so where is the login functionality? Handle registration, handle login. Yeah, here local storage dot set item email, and it will be email. So that's all for this video. I request you to please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be adding videos frequently to complete this series. Thank you.